is like Scratch, but like it have more fantastic things like artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence mean like it's just memory, but it's not real. It's fake memory. And it have more fantastic things. So let's get started. So first you need to open internet browser. And I open Google Chrome. And we're gonna search PictoBlox. Okay, so I already searched it, so I'm just gonna press it. So if you search like that, you will see all of these websites, but you're just gonna go in which is said download PictoBlox software system PDF and press it one time. So it's time to download. And if you use Windows, you need to press this one. And if you use Mac OS, you need to press this one. And if you use these, you need to press this one. And I use Windows, so I'm just gonna press it. And you can press it that you use. And if you press Windows, you will see these two, and they are about bits. And the first is Windows installer for 64-bit, or this is 32-bit. And my computer is 64-bit, so I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna press 64-bit. But if your computer is 32-bit, you can go into. So press it one time. And if you want to download it, you need to put your name and email. So I'll put my name. And you can put your name and your email. And press download now. Okay, so if you press like that, you will see like this. Okay, and press OK in here. Okay, right now it's downloading. And this is PictoBlox, but it is tutorial, and you can look tutorial from this too. And if you press OK, like it is downloading, you need to wait for a few minutes. I think it will take for very long because I think so. So we need to wait. Okay, so it's downloading and it's nearly finished. Okay, it's finished, and we need to look at it in the computer. So we're gonna go to computer PC. I minimize it so it's in here, but you can go to your desktop. Okay. So right now we're at computer, and we're gonna go to D, which is data, and go to digital technology, and you will see app for Windows. So go in app for Windows, and you will see all of the app. So these are all of the app, and you will see PictoBlox like this. You will see like this, and press it 2 times so it can be on your desktop. So let's press it 2 times. Okay, so it's working. We need to wait a little bit. Okay, so we finished and started it, but we want to be on the desktop because we don't want to go in computer and get it. No, so we need to install. So press install. And we need to wait a little bit. Okay, so it's finished now. And it will say message which is said completed PictoBlox setup. And press finish. Oh, so we got ran PictoBlox. And we didn't want to tick it. I didn't want to tick it. If you want to tick it, and it mean like if you want to run now. Probably yes. Yeah. So maybe yeah, but if you don't want to run PictoBlox now, you can you cross no, you can make it blank. But I need to run now. So press finish. Okay, we need to wait a little bit. Okay, so I think it's in desktop on desktop now. Okay, so if you press run, and if you didn't press 1, it can be press run. It can be not. It can be like that. But I press I want to run now, so it say like that. But if you didn't want to run now, it can be not like that. So we're started now. So it will say welcome to PictoBlox, ready to make your fast program. So press let's begin. And these are for what's new. So it means what's new from PictoBlox. If you want to learn, if you want to read, you can read it, but I'm not gonna read it now. So press it close, and you will see all of these. And this is the stage you're gonna be making, and the area where the sprite performs actions are like. This is the stage, and this is the sprite. It's just like Scratch. So let's just skip it. Okay, so it will say like that, and just close it. It means like congratulations because we downloaded it. So right now we need to sign in because we haven't signed in. So we're gonna press sign in one time in here and it will say if you haven't joined, you can join. If you already joined, and if you haven't signed in, you need to sign in. But I haven't joined, so I need to join. So, and if you already joined, you can press sign in, and you can write your username and your password. And please don't share your username and password with anyone. So I'm not already signed, so I'm not already joined, so I'm just gonna press join. Okay, so it will ask you question like this. Are you over 16 years old? So if you're over 16 years old, press yes. And if you're not over 16 years old, if you're younger than 16 years old, press no. But I'm just 9, so I'm just gonna press no. And if you press no, we need your you need your parent email. So I will write my father email. You can write your parent email. Okay, if you come like this, that means you're not already signed, but you're just gonna close it because we're signed right now. So we're gonna write this to end. Okay, so make sure is right email, and if it's right, press submit. And it will send you like this. You need to go to Gmail or email something, but you need to see PictoBlox email. But if you haven't seen it, if you didn't see it, press resend email And like if you want to change your Gmail, you can change by pressing add email. So we're just gonna close it, and we're gonna minimize this because we're gonna look to Gmail. So we're gonna go back to Google. Okay, so we're gonna new tab this one, and we should wait a little bit. So we're gonna go to Gmail, and you need to say from PictoBlox. So I see it. If you haven't seen it, if you didn't see it, you can go back to PictoBlox and resend your email back. But like I saw from PictoBlox, so we're gonna go in. Okay, so it can be like that, and I press no because I'm just nine, and it will say like I agreed. What does mean is if your parents agreed. And if you want to know more information about that, you can read all of those. But this is the important thing was if your parents agreed or not. So my parent agreed. So I will press I agreed. And if you press yes, if you're older than 16, it will say like yes out of I agreed. But I press no, so make sure you ask your parents if you know if your parent agreed or not. So my parent agrees, so I'm just gonna press I agreed. Okay, so we got it. So I finished. So we're gonna go back to PictoBlox. So if you go in PictoBlox, you will see like this. So you need to fill your username, password, age, and country. And please don't share your username or password with anyone. And username should have 6 letters, so make sure it is right. And put your age. You can also write, and you can also go with the arrow. Now I'll write. And put your country. And I'll put my country. So I'll put my country, and you can put your country. And if you're sure, press submit. Okay. And it will thank you successfully, and that means thank you. So we already signed in, and it will say, like if you press like this, it will say like that. And you will see your age, and you can change your age if you like. And you can change your country if you want. And you can also update if you like. And you can also sign out if you like, and you can also change your password if you like. So that means we already signed in. So we need to put artificial intelligence, which is fake memory. So we're gonna go to board and press it one time. And you will see like at the top of this like this, but like I already press it. So if I press it, it can be gone. And if you press it, it can be gone too. So let's just press it one time. So if I press it, you will see like that. Like you will see like that, like at the end in here, you will see more of these two. If you do like that, like all of that gonna be like have this one. So we're not finished putting artificial intelligence. We need to go to this, and we need to press it one time. And if you press it one time, you will see all of these, and you can add like more things. Like you can add music, you can add pen, like, and you can add artificial intelligence, which is at the top. You can add machine learning, like you can add a lot of things, and you can change it if you don't like. But I just gonna put artificial intelligence and press it one time, and it will say like that, which is notification bell, and press like that. I want to wait a little bit. So we got artificial intelligence now, and if you don't like artificial intelligence, if you want to change it, it's okay. So we're gonna press it one time. We can maybe we need to change to maybe weather data. So if you press like that, it's gonna be weather data, and like it means about weather. You can have more things. We got artificial intelligence at the top, and we got weather data at the at ender of artificial intelligence. So you can add more if you like. Maybe let's add this one. You can add more. And if you add this one, it will say like hold your horse and press it one time, because this is information. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit because like it's just information. You can add more if you like more. So you can add more by clicking it and click it one time, and like you can press more thing. You can do more thing with these. So I hope you like my video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you make sure you not miss any of PictoBlox videos and other videos. Bye.